ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ತುಂಬ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ರುಚಿಯಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
So today is 12th November, which essentially means tomorrow is my birthday. And last year and before last year, I couldn't really celebrate it like the way I would really like because of the COVID and many things that were happening. But this time, I'll be going out, meeting few kids in the Ashrama. So just thought, we'll buy few gifts like books, pens and some coconut oil, Vaseline and everything because of the weather at the moment. So preparing everything for the gifts for tomorrow.
ಚಿನ್ನಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
That one. Vijay, bye. Bye. Bye-bye. So we are headed to Adwaith's. I had told him that I'll be taking him to this place that we usually visit, Le Terrace, wherein I really enjoy the fries. What's up, dude?
Hello. Hey, did you know that he was taking a video while you were there? No.
In 3 seconds ಇದೆ, in 2 seconds ಇದೆ, in 1 second ಇದೆ, ಟೈಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು 13. ಅಪ್ಪ ಓಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಅಂತ ಇದಕ್ಕಿದಂಗೆ ಕೈ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರು.
ಐ ಆಮ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಗಾಡ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ ಯು. ಏನೋ ಹೀಮೇನ್ ಥರ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಅಪ್ಪ ಫುಲ್ ಜೋಶಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ನೀನು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ನುಗ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತಾ?
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೆ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲಿ,
ಟೈಮ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತವ್ರು ಅವ್ರು ಹೊರಗಡೆ. ಹಲೋ
ಹಲೋ ಅನಿಶ್, ಶಶಾಂಕ್.
ಹಾಂ ಹೇಳೋ.
ಬಾಗಲಕೋಟೆಗೆ ಅನಿಶ್ ನಾನು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಕೈಗೆ.
ಓ ಹೌದಾ? ಇರು ಬಂದೆ.
ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ ಸರಿ.
Okay, what's up, boys?
Are you coming down or should we come up?
Anything is fine. I was just coming downstairs. Hello. ಏನೋ ಅನೀಶ್ ಬಾಬು ಫುಲ್ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಗೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ ಅಂತಿದ್ದೆ.
That was the plan. Plans change. So I'm not sure if you are aware of this, but Shashank has a history of taking any gift that I give to him for him to use and totally not using it well. To the point where I gave him something to eat and he didn't eat it.
Hey, ilvo tinde.
Gold coins. He preserved it for 2 to 3 years.
And you it away later?
So I racked my brains and came up with a gift that is titled this.
That I will have to definitely use and all.
Read it.
Made in China.
I'd like to see you try.
Useless box calorie.
It is designed to be useless.
Designed for you. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
I mean, I thought this is what it is supposed to do. It is useless and
A few moments later.
Yeah, that's nice. Useless box.
You're gonna lose, man.
Hi Shruti.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಮ್ಮ.
ನೀವು
Hello. How are you?
ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ. It's pretty hard.
So we got 3 chairs which needs unpacking, and after that there are a couple of other items that we got for the office which I haven't gotten a chance to check out. So after having all these chairs unpacked as well as assembled, I'm going to take a look at that. You remember as to how I paid a lot of money to get my bike fixed, right? And after that, just day before, there were this couple of guys who generally go around the area probably to just do this stuff, came to the bike just to steal the battery again. And somehow, luckily, our driver, he was just there and he saw them and he was able to shoo them off. But unfortunately, his bike was not so lucky, so they did steal his bike's battery, and thankfully his battery was worn out already, and and he just had to replace it anyway. So that's about that. Guys are assembling the chair. While that's happening, I'll also show you something else that we got for the office. That is we got a new laser jet printer. So it appears that there's no tool set given along with the package, because of which I don't think the guys will be able to continue assembling it. And it's raining as well, so I think this will have to wait. Have you ever been in a position wherein you look back and think maybe you should have done things in a better fashion, maybe you should have thought a little more, maybe you should have taken care of some people around you, maybe take care of yourself? Because I think I keep seeing this, and I was having multiple conversations as well today. And people keep undermining and taking things for granted around them. We need to really understand that. The other day I was speaking to my cousin as well. So, you know, whenever we are going out and we are doing things, we tend to have this attitude that everything is going to be okay. And I'm not saying that people need to be pessimistic, but rather I'm saying that you need to be a little more attentive about the things that you do. And I know that, one might easily say that, hey, shouldn't I be chasing my goals, or shouldn't I be doing this, because it really makes me happy? I mean, totally. I mean, you should totally be doing that. But what I'm saying is being reckless should never be an option. Speaking of which, I think one should really focus on being really healthy and safe, because you have created certain people around yourself, people who love you, people who care for you, people who will be there for you when you need them. And when you have created such a tight knit community around yourself, it's also important that you remain safe, you remain careful, you remain, attentive to their needs as well. And the only way you will be able to be there for them is by making sure you are there in the first place. It's a really deep, intimate sort of a thing, I understand, but while riding, make sure that you wear the helmet. While in the car, make sure you're wearing the seat belt, and go work out a bit, and keep your health in check. So finally, I just want to say that really take care of yourself. Be attentive, be vigilant about the possible threats that might come under your way, and also like while interacting with other people, just perhaps I think several times we tend to become a little ignorant about ourselves. So maybe it's better to listen to the people who love us. Just give a little bit respect to those words which comes out from people who really care for you, who really are there for you. So that way you understand that there are certain things that you can fix, and it's important that you fix them while you can. So with that, I wish you all really good health and wish you all best. ಅಡಿಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ತಾನೆ.